Something, come on, give us something, bro.
Hey.
Nah, for real. We gotta hear something serious on that. That shit is serious right there.
They gon' talk, they gon' hate. Let them say what? Let them say what they gon' say. And if we all children of the Most High, we can never do no wrong.
Right. She said push it out. Tammy said push it out.
They scream peace and I scream war. Tell me what are we fighting for?
I don't love that song then. We're gonna build this song. Come on, OG, give it to us.
Just heaven knows your name.
Tell us how we gotta do it.
What is it? Only heaven knows your name. That's that holiday. We're all children of the Most High. We can never do no wrong.
Right.
And if we stay together, we stay strong. They will never do no wrong. See, I got what I want to say with it.
Right. Come on.
I changed it up on the second one though. I reversed it, you feel me?
Right. That's like Chrissy calls it like.
Oh. Yeah, do that. Don't be scared of it, man.
Thank you, Ted.
Don't be scared of that.
I need that. Put him on.
Don't want to falsetto. Put some natural.
That's right, Coachy, Mo J. Coachy.
Yeah, there you go.
I like him. We need him around. We need that, bro. We need that. I ain't gonna lie to you. Sometimes, as musicians, we need a coach. We need somebody that's an OG in the game like you that been putting in work. You know what? We got young needs. We got young needs. We ready to get it in, bro. You know what I'm saying? But we need that. We need that to put us there. We need that to take us there, man. So I respect that. Damn right. Damn right.
Let's run it.
Yo, what's up, Aaliyah? Yo, we was just getting wisdom, man. He was just coaching my brother, man. Yo, hey, what's up? Yo, man, we getting wisdom from the OG. He putting us on right now. How to grind with this.
And a natural though. It's easy to go from the to the low to like falsetto. That's easy.
I don't know. I'm gonna get on my
Yeah, run that back. Come on.
Oh yeah. They gon' talk, they gon' hate, they gon' say what they gon' say.
Come on.
And if we stay strong, we stay together, stay firm, they will never do no harm.
Come on.
They scream peace and I scream war, but don't know what we're fighting for.
Come on. Give him another bar. Give him another bar. What's the next bar? Write this shit, y'all. We wanna write this shit.
Sacrifice more in my life, and I suggest you find your soul and do the same.
Come on.
So that heaven knows your name. See, I was writing in my head to this joint. I only got like 8 bars. That's it.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah, but do that to the natural though. The natural.
I see a hater in the building. Damn. Come on. You gotta deal with that sometime. That's what comes with life, y'all. I'm gonna tell you, man.
Yeah.
Aaliyah said, "Sing it." She said, "Sing it." Baby girl said, "Sing it."
Hey, he hot though. He hot.
Right.
He hot.
Like a motherfucker, man. I love that.
Jenny Aiko type shit.
I like that, sir.
Come on, build that song. Work that shit, dog. Work that shit.
Nah, you ain't getting that.
Ah.
That singer died too.
Ah.
That nigga stingy.
Oh, he being stingy right now.
Hey, you stingy.